So this is the Apple Magic Mouse 2, and we'll try to see what's inside. And I just bought it from Jarir Alcobar, the mom. Na-peel off ko na yung plastic niya, but I haven't seen what's inside. So this is the Magic Mouse 2, designed by California, made in China. Yeah, that's it. So inside is, rekta na mouse na kaagad. So yeah, mouse. Wow, ganda, ang ganda. Sobrang solid, sobrang compact. Sabagay, what would you expect? Bumili ka ng medyo pricey. Syempre madidismaya ka kung medyo mababa yung quality. Medyo, so far okay naman siya. So ito yung laman. Mouse. Meron siyang manual, which is most of the time hindi natin ginagamit, and charger. So that's it. Sabi nila compatible to sa MacBook Pro, which is I recently bought. Tapos also sa iPad Pro, which is ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon pang video. So that's it.